A jotus, jumping spider. She's only 5 millimeters long, but nonetheless she's a stealthy and ferocious hunter. She's single-minded and focused on hunting. But today might be different. This is something new. Something fast. But what is it? Is it food? It's a male jotus, looking for a mate. He needs to catch her attention. But female jotus only mate once. If she's mated before, she might kill him. He will need to seduce her with care. Waving his arms makes his intentions clear. He's a friend, not food. But she doesn't seem particularly impressed. Time to try his best move. The double paddle. That surely will do the trick. One final wave. And he's tamed her. She stays still for just long enough. And then he retreats quickly before she has second thoughts.